Dear students, today's topic is the reasons for failure for the freedom struggle. The struggle of 1857 did not bring about positive outcome, but it proved to be a milestone in gaining the freedom. This revolt did not receive success in full measure because of कुछ ऐसे कारण थे जिनके वजह से यह स्ट्रगल 1857 का असफल रहा, जिसके निम्नलिखित ये कारण हैं। पहला है, फर्स्ट रीजन इज लैक ऑफ यूनिटी एंड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। द चीफ कॉज ऑफ फेल्योर ऑफ फर्स्ट वॉर ऑफ फ्रीडम वाज लैक ऑफ यूनिटी and organized effort. Neither was there a proper planning for the revolt nor any concrete program. This resulted in unorganized and limited attempt. Second reason is lack of leadership. One of the main reasons of failure was lack of powerful leadership so as to be capable of staging due to the lack of a single capable leadership. This revolt did not succeed in its objective. The third reason is traditional and outdated weapons. Indian soldiers had to use traditional weapons like sword, bow and arrows, spear, barsha, unlike the British soldiers who had modern and sophisticated weapons with a big artillery. Number 4, feudal features. In the revolt of 1857, on one side there were Samans of Awadh, Ruhelkhand from North India, who challenged British force, and on the other side there were rulers of Patiala, Jind, Gwalior and Hyderabad who supported British rulers. As a result, the freedom struggle could not succeed in its objective. The fifth reason is unawareness of Bahadur Shah II. Despite the soldiers declaring Bahadur Shah Jafar II as their leader, this revolt was as much a surprise to him as it was to British. That's why he was eventually arrested by Lieutenant Hudson and was sent to Rangoon in Burma. The sixth reason is premature outbreak and lack of communication. A major reason for failure was that it broke out prematurely. There could have been better chance of success had this revolt been organized in a planned manner. The leadership failed in making propaganda about the revolt that caused a severe blow to the revolt. The seventh reason is localized revolt. Since the revolt was based on the local issue, Indian masses did not participate in it. Only those rulers whose interests were affected played a part in it. The eighth reason is no common language of communication. The main reason of failure was this revolt was a lack of a single common language among Indians, which led to lack of communication, whereas British soldiers communicated in English only. एक जो हमारे पास कोई एक कॉमन लैंग्वेज भी नहीं थी जिसके द्वारा एक दूसरे से संपर्क स्थापित किया जा सके, यह भी एक बहुत बड़ा कारण था. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दीज वेयर द मेन रीजन ऑफ फेल्योर ऑफ फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल 1857. Okay, thank you.